Hi guys, we're taking a look at my new Lola Rose watch. I'm so excited. I have heard of these and seen them in a ton of different stores and locations. So really exciting to have gotten my hands on them. So first off, wow, can we just admire the watch box that it comes in? It is just like a very sturdy case for it. It even has a little drawer, so I've just opened it up. Within that bottom drawer, you've got a little instruction card manual, which will tell you about the wash, kind of how to set it up, as well as more on the water resistance, etc. So, wow, look at it. I did the purple gradient watch. So this purple color is absolutely stunning. It's kind of like a rose gold feature around the actual watch face itself and then on the straps. The leather of it, of course, is leather. It's going to be just super resistant as you wear it. I love leather-based watches. I feel like they're just super comfy that way. As far as water resistance, 100 feet or 30 meters, whatever measurements you go by. And it does have a 2-year warranty on that, which is amazing. I just think all in all, what a great watch. Very pretty. Check it out.